Boy, I tell ya, keeping the decorations simple makes taking the decorations down also simple. 1 down, 200 to go. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I have no idea how many there are.
You know, there probably is.
Repeat what you said so I have proof.
I said, she's like, I don't want to do this. I said, I don't mind. I'll do it by myself. I kind of like it. It's kind of fun.
Okay, you shut up. I want to see what the boys are doing. Do you know what Dad's doing?
I think we can help kids build their fort.
Hey, do you guys know where Dad is?
He's on Cody's one wheel.
He's out riding your one wheel?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
I'm breaking snow. He's building his fort. Yeah. I'm breaking the fort.
Oh, hi there. Will you please not drop it in the snow and then bring it back to me when you're done?
Okay.
Do not drop it in the snow, please.
Okay. Hey, Mom. So this is my fort. So this is like the place where everybody can like, well, a person that gets in like can do what they want. And this is this like right here is the miniature like cave thingy. I don't know, but that's it. But I'm still working on it, so I'm gonna go give it to Cody. Cody, do you want to show them your fort? Cody, do you want to show them their fort? Do you want to show all the people in the world your fort?
I'm actually making a different door, so in a second. Daddy, Cody's gonna have dynamite and he's gonna put it in here. Yeah. Okay. I can actually do that?
Do you want to vlog? Do you want me to vlog you?
No. They can put the thing back. Sure. I don't care.
Okay.
I'm sealing up this door to make a different door. Yeah.
Bring dynamite in there.
Yeah, I just said that. I said I'm not actually gonna do that.
Okay, what else are you gonna do?
Filling up this door to make a different door somewhere else.
Alright, I'll make it.
Okay. Boston actually stopped though.
Okay, let's go. Bye.
Normally, at the end of Christmas break, I have a lot of like junk food to toss. This is it. That's all that's left. We ate ourselves out of Christmas break. I'll tell ya. You know, yeah, it's been refilled several times, but things like this will no longer come into this house from either of us. Yeah, yep. We'll have
a soda and celebrate
when we move in.
And that's pretty good, because when I was a missionary, I didn't have any soda. 1, because I couldn't afford it. And 2, because I didn't want to drink it. So I'd only drink it at 6-month markers.
Oh, really?
So maybe that's what we do.
Okay, well, we have some nutritional goals. Starting tomorrow, though. The ornaments are off. And as we're putting things away, let me just tell you what not to waste your money on. This is one of those felt things that you do puzzles on that you can roll up. First of all, it bends your Lego or your puzzle pieces. And 2, it's literally a piece of felt. It doesn't even hold your puzzle together because when you roll it, the whole puzzle falls apart.
Did you put a puzzle in that?
Yeah, we tried.
Oh.
And it failed miserably. So these, I'm going to say it's a no. Do you want to know what I do want, though? I want one of the boards. It's a big board, kind of like a Lazy Susan. I'll put a link for it because that's what I want, not this. I don't even think we should keep this, literally.
Throw it away, that was Monday.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want to keep things that...
Then we should eat it.
Let's yeet it! You have to admit that was the worst tree lighting you ever did.
I don't have to admit nothing.
In the nicest way. I mean, I don't blame you. It was nothing that anyone wanted to do, but it was the most unattractive. I mean, I've seen you spend days wrapping Christmas lights, and this year it was a no.
It was
a no for me, dog.
Well, it worked.
I mean, this is, I mean, how are we going to decorate the new house? I'm scared. I'm scared to decorate the new house.
Boston, knock it off.
Uh-oh. We fighting over ice cream?
No, he's using his fingers to pick it up. I'm like, get a spoon.
Lincoln, from the time you started feeding yourself, what have I been telling you? What have I told you about eating with your fingers?
You need it.
Do not eat with your fingers. We have utensils. Olivia is right. Stop eating with your fingers. Go get a spoon because your sister dished up your ice cream for you.
No, I dished it for me and then I gave it to him.
Yes, which was very nice. You are not eating ice cream with a fork. Put the fork down, get a spoon, and go sit at the counter. And if you can't eat it nicely, like a nice big 7-year-old that you are you 7?
Mm-hmm.
Like the nice big 7-year-old that you are, then you don't get to have ice cream.
I'm only 3.
Then you don't get to have ice cream. What do you say to Olivia?
Thank you, Olivia.
Say you're welcome, Olivia.
Olivia.
Good night, Kevin. And tree no more. We've got everything put back where it belongs. Should we do more chores or go to the fireplace store and pick out fireplaces?
The latter.
Deal. If you're looking for a salad that you're not gonna feel hungry with when you're done eating, this is it. And I'm not gonna lie, when I went grocery shopping today, I felt like I was lost. I was like, wait, I'm not gonna buy popcorn. I'm not gonna buy a cheese ball. I'm not gonna buy ice cream and soda. This is not fair. But I'll tell you what, we're gonna feel a lot better in the morning when we're done eating this. Okay, I forgot to say that I will have the recipe on my Instagram story, I will link in the description for you guys. What?
Mountain Dew.
Do the do? Where did you hear that?
Watch the video of the old commercial for Mountain Dew.
I was gonna say, does that ring any old bells?
Oh yeah. Do the do.
Mountain Dew. Dew. Mountain Dew. No.
Yikes.
He does the wink. No, he does the wink after. He goes, do the do. Mountain Dew.
Okay, show me that wink. I have been, okay, oh, no, let me see.
I'll do it.
It's too fast, I can't tell. Okay, hold on. No, do it. I can't tell if you're just moving your cheek or... Yeah, see, when you do it, you just move your cheek and the eye doesn't actually close. Okay, now let me see in person. Wait, oh, it happens too fast, I can't tell.
I got it.
I'm pretty sure that you're not closing your eye.
Closing his eye.
Yeah. See, he's not, Link or Boston, look at mommy. You have to close the eye that you're winking. I'm thinking.
Now check mine out.
Oh, that was good. Do it again, let me see. Oh, that was pretty good.
That's me.
Okay, you wink. Okay, now Cody, look at him. When he winks at you, is his eye closing? No, it's not closing. Because the other day, Boston winked at me just for funsies, and I loved it. But I thought I don't think his eye closed.
You're doing that right.
Oh, really? Let me see your teeth.
No, your teeth.
Yeah, I know. Me and you both. I was looking at your, well, we haven't brushed our teeth yet, so we're gonna brush our teeth and call it a night.
Do the do.
Do the do. All right, this is not a ad for Mountain Dew, I swear. I wish, that would be amazing.
Mountain Dew.
Could you imagine? That would be incredible. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a night. We're not having soda or candy for 6 more months.
Summer.
So Mountain Dew, get back to us. Actually, I would completely break our deal to ourselves for a sponsored. Joel, you are completely ignoring me.
I need a second hand here.
Okay, all right, bye guys.